So this is the last thing. I'm pretty sure this was the last thing. I might have got chocolates and then ate them. My bad. But yeah. Something from Coach. Yay! This one is from the retail store. And I had them gift wrap it, so it's wrapped up in tissue paper. I had to, of course, inspect it too to make sure it was okay. But it's gray and black and it has the C's all over it. And it's coated canvas, and then you see the logo right there in one spot. Ugh. The light's so bright. Can you see it? Is it not focusing? Oh, there we go. So yeah, it says Coach right there. It's got all the C's on it. Very nice. The thing about this is really hard to find Coach wallets that have a coin section. Like, all the wallets are just card slots and bill slots, that's it, which I find not useful. Like, as a guy, where you're supposed to put your change in your pocket, and then what if you get a hole in your pocket? There goes all your change. I don't know. Would that scenario happen? I don't know. I just wouldn't want to carry change in my pocket. I like to put my hands in my pockets. I don't want to put my hands on dirty money all the time. But yeah, this was hard to get. It was the last one in stock, and it's hard to find ones, like I said, with the coin thing. So yeah, I was like, oh, that's cool. We can match. I'll wear my Coach purse, and you can use your Coach wallet. Yeah, it's a really nice wallet. It's very good quality. And because it's from the retail store, with your receipt, you can take it in and they'll clean the leather and condition it for free whenever you want. So yeah, pretty cool. I think it's pretty nice, but I'm biased because I like everything Coach. So yeah, that's the procrastinated belated Christmas haul.